Good morning. How are you all? I realised the little line things were actually because of the lighting in the room where I was, so it's all fine. I kind of freaked out a little bit. Now it's really early in the morning. I'm going off for a meeting and I'm going off to a shoot, so I'm going to take you guys with me. Perfect timing.
Come here. Oh really my god. So this is Ruben from Azarina. Frankie's in the background talking about salads. This is Frankie. Say hi. Hello. And this is a cute little puppy that they have in the office. I'm not okay. I'm not okay.
We're just on a shoot with Azarina. We're doing an Instagram story for the new collection. So this is one of the bags that they have and it's so pretty and it's gonna go with all my outfits. There's a little camel one as well, which you can wear when you're going out. It's really, really cute. And it's like a nice neutral, so you can put it with every outfit. Yeah, we're gonna start shooting now. I'm gonna do a little get ready with me with some of my best products, wearing Daisy jewellery, Rixo shirt and my Zara trousers. So yeah, let's do this. Okay, so I've just finished the shoot and I'm off to work a little bit more. My Uber driver just looked at me. Yeah, so I'm finished the shoot with Azarina, shot everything that we needed to shoot. They've got an amazing space as well and I loved all the bags. I'm kind of all obsessed. But now I'm going to a meeting. Yeah, I'm going to do some work and then I'm going to this flat viewing that I've got at 7:30 today. Very excited. I really hope I can just burn off this house and yeah, move in next weekend. So just finished a shoot with Azarina and it was really good. Went really quickly. I'm still feeling so sick, so I just had to power through today. I'm now off to do some work. Stuff like this, when you're a freelancer, when you're a PR, it's just trying to get your balance with work and your shoots and stuff like that in balance. It's so kind of stressful. It gives me anxiety when I'm like on a shoot and like I'm doing some videos, but then I know at the back of my head that I've got reports to do and I talk about my clients and picture to journalists, so it's very much kind of like a go.
Hey guys, I'm going to be talking a little bit about doing my makeup, when we go out. This is my new favourite brand. It's so natural looking, it's so easy to put on.
This is
Lana Lips.
Favorite brand.
What's always favourite brand?
Shit.
This can't go in there. It's a nice angle. What do you say?
I have nothing to say. I'm dying it of him. Help. Enough. Hi puppies! Hi! Just got home and I'm gonna have a bath. Liv hates, he hates coming to the bathroom because he always thinks he's going to have a shower. Oh my god, I look a mess. But can you see him? Did you get a new hairdo? Is this Cabela? Oh yeah, get this fringe. Yeah, it suits you so much. Yeah, like zoom it up. Cute bird. Yeah, oh. Damn, you look so cute. I have obviously lost it, but this is the best thing ever. It's okay, you're not having a bath today, even though you stink and you really should have one. Oh. Give mama a cuddle. Oh, I love you. The best thing.
little cuddle bear. I'm going to have a bath and I'm going to use one of my things from the Goddess box that I got. And this is Goop the Martini Emotional Detox Bar Soak. So what this does, it says, we believe in the power of hot bath, the practice that goes back at least for as long as recorded human history. Hello! I believe in baths as much as they do, so I'm very excited to use this. This is going to be incredible. Thank you very much. Okay, so the inside looks like powder, and it says for directions, add 1 cup to warm running water, soak for at least 20 minutes to allow the ingredients to work their way, meditate, chant, read, listen to music. Okay, so I'm gonna have to just pretend that this is a cup. I don't know why I did it in one little go, but that's, oh my god, it smells incredible. Okay, let's move this around a little bit, because that is the most stupid thing I've ever done. Okay, so this is going to now, I'm all going to go inside this now and meditate. Good morning. It's a Friday. Thank God. Well, what do you think I'm going to do? I'm going to work. I have 4 minutes to run for the bus, but I'm wearing this for my another appointment, wearing my retracts with my hoodie, a jacket, and I'm off because I'm actually so late. Oops. Bye, Mum. So another day, another doctor's appointment. This is my I'm sick outfit. I'm kind of loving it. I would wear it out. Me and Nim are off to Will's, and I actually got him this cute lead from Lazy Loaf yesterday, and I'm obsessed. He looks so chic. He looks so chic. Are you ready to go in a cab? Yeah? So I'm just sitting editing my vlog, and Sebastian is here and he wanted to make an appearance.
No, I'm gonna make my own one.
He's going to make his own appearance, okay. Hello everybody. It is Saturday and I'm just sitting on a balcony chilling with the dog. He's actually up to me for a second. It was a very kinda, just cleaned the house, getting myself chilled. It's been sleeping all morning. I'm actually at Will's, so all the boys are here and I'm the only girl, so it feels really weird. But yeah, nothing much planned today. I decided to cancel all my plans and decided to stay in to sleep and recover. I don't know where Nim is. Nim!